Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is my round 2 submission in NYX Faceawards India this year. Yes, theme was emotions and I have created the goddess of dark emotions. Yes, she's responsible for all the misery you have in your life. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So to start with the base, I wanted to give my goddess the skin of goddess, of course. So I added a lot of liquid booster in my foundation, applied it all over, and then also set my face using the highlighter from Contour and Highlight Pro palette. Now this highlighter is not like very into your face types, so it was perfect to set the base for this look. Then I'm bronzing up my face using the darkest shade from Born to Glow highlighter palette. Again, you cannot use any matte powders when you want that your skin to, be glowy and visible from the moon. So yeah, again highlighting my face with the highlighter from the same palette. And moving on to my brows, I first filled them in using Precision Brow Pencil in shade black, and then gave it a very spiky edge so that they stand out and look very dramatic. I'm now clearing any mistakes by using concealer. And moving on to my eyes, I'm first applying eyeshadow base in nude all over, and then packing on this maroon eyeshadow from my Ultimate eyeshadow palette into my crease, buffing it out and further diffusing it using some red eyeshadow. It should look this blended before you cut your crease. For that, I'm using a concealer, looking up and getting that trace which I have to follow to cut my crease to have it this perfect at the end. So this is like one hack you can follow if you find it difficult to cut your crease. Then filling in my lid with some black gel liner to have an opaque layer. And then defining my crease further with some liquid golden liner. I'm now applying a good layer of glitter primer all over my eyelid, so that I have no fallout when I'm applying black glitter, because I already have my base done. So you have to be very, very careful with fallouts once you have your base done. So have a good thick layer of primer there. For my lower lash line, I filled it in using some black gel liner and then buffed the liner out using some red eyeshadow. I'm now making some markings on my face using That's the Point liner. Now these markings are more like a symbol of darkness coming out or sprouting off the skin. So I created that. And for my lips, I filled them using Liquid Suede in Kitten Heels. I just love this shade. It's a perfect red for all skin tones. And then I'm applying some black eyeshadow on the outer corners to create that intense, dramatic ombre lip. Moving back to my face, I'm again creating more markings using golden liquid liner. Now these are like visible when you move your face and invisible when you're not actually in the light, so it looks like the part of your skin. I wanted to create that illusion on my skin that they're coming from within. And then some more markings using vinyl liquid liner in black. Just see how buttery this liner is and so pigmented, it glides like butter. I love this liner. This is like the best liquid liner in the world. First applied a very shiny layer of foundation. The booster is going to give the shine. The foundation is going to give the coverage. Then I contoured the body parts. Then applied liner, created some markings, just everything that I did on my face. And then I also created the dress using Liquid Suede in Kitten Heels again. First drawing a jacket or a dress sorts, and then filling it in with some Liquid Suede in Kitten Heels and some glitter, then some lacy effect on the edges, and the dress is done. And to complete the look, I then applied some false lashes because I cannot actually spell drama without lashes in it. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you people like it. If you did, then please go vote for me, because I need your votes to make it to round 2. And if you love me and if you want to see me in round 2, then check the description box for all the voting related details. And yeah, I hope you people enjoyed this video. This is like 6 hours work in 6 minutes, but yeah, I enjoyed it nonetheless. Thank you for watching. Bye.